Translation agencies will find many of the same familiar productivity functions found in the legacy translation tools they've been using for decades, only now updated for the 21st century. As project schedules loom, agency subscribers are assured to always have the latest approved project assets, either shared by their enterprise customers or managed directly by themselves on behalf of their customers. This real-time visibility extends to the work their own translators are executing as well. Everyone has the latest state of all project assets. This asset management flexibility lets agencies standardize on the translation workspace as their preferred platform for executing projects and earning revenue. The use of language technology has historically been a delicate and expensive balancing act for translation agencies, which need to align with both their customers and their collaborators. We understand that the translation business is inherently volatile, with periods of more or less work due to ever-changing customer needs and content life cycles. Most static translation software packages demand a large upfront investment and have annual maintenance charges and never-ending upgrade costs. Only the translation workspace gives you the flexibility to run your business your way without penalizing you when you grow. That's why Translation Workspace is the first translation solution that offers monthly and annual payment options when you subscribe. As a software-as-a-service solution, there are no upfront costs and no IT infrastructure required. You control your subscription, allowing you to buy what you need when you need it. When your workload changes, you can change your subscription. Our pay-as-you-go pricing means you're always ready to accept new opportunities and grow your business, without worrying about the cash flow impact of a large upfront software commitment. Also, in the past, planning upgrades across customers and collaborators was another challenge, due to compatibility and version control issues. With a software-as-a-service framework of Translation Workspace, you have access to all system functionality on demand, including upgrades. This means translators can use superior technology without the expense and headaches of deploying software. Agencies serving the language demands of customers need to scale up with a mix of in-house and freelance expertise as customer requirements change. Every subscriber to Translation Workspace can access the GeoWorks directory, making it easy to find service providers and promote your agency. Inclusion in the directory is optional, and you control your profile. By adding information on your services, such as languages served and special domain skills, you can make it easy for other subscribers to find you and match your agency's capabilities to available projects. Language service providers report that they spend between 4 hours and 20 hours per week looking for work. That's time that is not spent on billable activities and that adds to the overhead of running a translation business. Access one of the world's largest translation ecosystems to instantly expand and engage with qualified freelancers with Translation Workspace. Similarly, buyers of translation services find the process of locating and selecting the right service providers a daunting task. Who has the right skills? Who is using the best technology? This is a great way to promote yourself, your agency, or your translation project. The GeoWorks directory helps you connect, collaborate, and grow your business. Translation Workspace enables you to work seamlessly with other agencies and freelancers on a common software platform, giving you real-time visibility into the progress of every translation from every translator on your team. No more hoping a translator or reviewer hits a deadline. With Translation Workspace, you can see the status of every project and the progress of every translator in real time on demand. Translation Workspace provides you with 2 options to grant access to your projects and language assets, enabling you to selectively assign your own system users to specific projects, with the ability to work with freelancers through the Translation Workspace's innovative asset aliasing framework. Asset aliasing lets you work seamlessly with freelance translators who are subscribers to Translation Workspace without the cost, overhead, or risk of providing licenses for them in a safe and secure hosted solution that keeps your assets protected and you in control. Also, you can assign your own concurrent licenses from user to user, giving you the ability to choose who works on your projects at any given time. Both aliasing and system user management provide appropriate security and privacy controls for both issuers and recipients. Subscribers can protect the anonymity of their customers and providers, as well as the rights they have to their own data. Agency subscribers can get right down to using the Translation Workspace's powerful file preparation tools to ready a wide range of business, publishing, and web formats for translation. Every Translation Workspace subscription includes the ability to prepare files for localization using the Markup Language Assistant, allowing for precise parsing of the most complex online content. Every subscription includes the ability to translate interactively using the MS Word plugin and the XLIF editor, allowing agencies to select the best front-end for their projects and teams. In an industry in which rework pushes cost up and customer satisfaction down, the powerful built-in QA tools allow agencies to review the work of all contributors for a range of quality issues. Agencies typically handle large volumes of work with many internal users. Outdated TM tools run routine analysis of source files against a static TM, without considering new language assets that are created during the translation process. Translation Workspace captures every segment live, in real time, so any new segment for a project that is either a repetition or a fuzzy match is captured during an analysis. Translation Workspace replaces the time-consuming process of reconciling static TMs and glossaries and accelerates your productivity through the reuse of live language assets.